How to use VR mode in YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll be showing you how to use the VR mode in YouTube application. VR mode allows you to find and watch 360-degree videos and virtual reality content with compatible headset and devices. First of all, launch YouTube application on your device. Now tap on the search icon at top right and type in virtual reality video. Then tap the search. After that, from the search result, you need to select a video you'd like to watch in VR mode. After that, you need to tap on the setting icon in the top right of the video player. From the menu, select Watch in VR. If you don't find the option, tap Additional Settings. Now type in Watch in VR option, and after that, the video will automatically switch to VR mode. The screen will split into two smaller screens which are optimized for a VR headset. You can insert your phone into your VR headset and the split screen view lets you experience the view in 360 virtual reality. Move your head to look around and fully immerse yourself in the video. That's how it's simple to use the VR mode in the YouTube app. Exploring 360-degree videos and virtual reality content with your VR headset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.